In this episode, let me show you how to solve the common problems when making spring rolls, so they won't be soggy, greasy, and burst out open. Just make sure you watch all the way to the end to see how crispy they are. Here we have some glass noodles. In a bowl, add the glass noodles and hot water. Rehydrate until soft for about 4 minutes. Discard the water. And cut the glass noodles into about 1 inch long. Glass noodles are important in making spring rolls. They help to absorb the liquid in the filling, so the spring rolls will become crispy and not soggy. To make the sauce, add the soy sauce, oyster sauce, hoisin sauce, white pepper, and cornstarch slurry. This is also really important. When we add the cornstarch slurry, it thickens the sauce so the filling won't have additional liquid inside. In a pan over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil, ground chicken, and salt. Stir fry the chicken for about 2 minutes. So what protein you would like to use in this recipe? Please comment below and share with us. Remove the chicken from the pan. In the same pan over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil, followed by the carrot, shiitake mushrooms, cabbage, snow peas, and garlic. Cook until aromatic for about 1 minute. And again, to make them crispy and not soggy, we cook the vegetables now so the liquid comes out at this point and not later. Return the chicken. Glass noodles to absorb the liquid. And they're also super tasty. And sauce. Stir everything together. And let it cool down for about 10 minutes. Here we have some spring roll wrappers. Lay it flat with a corner pointing toward you. Place about 2 tablespoons of the filling at the bottom corner. Make sure not to add too much as they might burst open during frying. Fold the bottom corner up, followed by the 2 sides to the center. Continue to roll it up. Brush the beaten egg at the top. And fold it up all the way. Make sure not to wrap it too tight, as they could also burst open during frying. In a large pot over high heat, pour the oil inside. Heat it to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius. Just make sure the oil is hot enough. If it isn't hot enough, they will absorb more oil and become greasy. Transfer the spring rolls inside. Fry until crispy for about 3 minutes. Remove and drain on a paper towel lined plate. You could serve them the way it is or dip it in sweet and sour sauce. Click here for my homemade sweet and sour sauce recipe. Did you know in Chinese culture, these little goodies symbolize good luck and good fortune? I hope you have an abundance of luck and fortune after eating them. So what protein you would like to use in this recipe? Please comment below and share with us. Happy cooking and enjoy! Crispy and crunchy, and the filling is absolutely tasty. I hope that you have enjoyed today's episode also. If you like it, subscribe, follow, and like for more easy to follow Asian recipes. And I will see you again soon. Bye!